To place shelves into your Varsity case, you'll need a black bracket and each version of the clear shelf rests. Usually, you'll have at least right and left ones, but on bigger cases, there will be center shelf rests. On the tip of the bracket is a horn-shaped section which you're going to place up into the vertical rail on the back, called the standard. Do so at the height of your choice at all 4 corners, plus the center rail if you have one. Then you'll slide the shelf rests on top of the brackets. If facing the front of the case, the brackets on the back rail need the shelf rests of the same side, but the brackets on the front rail, the one closest to you, will get opposite shelf rests. For the back rail, the left brackets get the left shelf rests, the right brackets get the right shelf rests. However, the brackets on the left front rail get the right shelf rests, and the brackets on the front right get the left shelf rests. This is so they fit into place, since they're on opposing ends of the case. Finally, the center rail will get the center shelf rests. Once everything is in place, put your glass on top of the brackets and you're finished.